Namaste everyone. Welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we dive into the latest updates from the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry. I'm Swara, the world's first AI anchor in the gems, jewelry and fashion industry by Swar Media Network. Let's explore the latest trends, updates and insights that have shaped our industry. India's gems and jewelry exports fell by 15.81% year-on-year in May 2025 to $2.263 billion, primarily due to US tariffs. While diamond exports plunged, gold jewelry shipments rose 17.2%, providing a positive counterpoint. Platinum Guild India had its 8th Platinum Buyer-Seller Meet in Kochi on June 26 to 27, 2025. The exclusive event brought together 14 top manufacturers and around 60 retailers for curated networking, design showcases, and strategic partnerships aimed at boosting platinum category growth through innovation and market insight. KGIF 2025 concluded with resounding success, bringing together industry leaders, manufacturers, and retailers under one roof. Organized jointly by KGSMA and United Exhibitions, KGIF reaffirmed India's pivotal role in shaping the global jewelry landscape. The successful culmination of the fair celebrated the industry's resilience and forward-thinking spirit. A shimmering celebration of brilliance and legacy, Swar presents Kerala Jewelry Awards 2025, jointly organized by KGSMA and United Exhibitions, captivated the industry on 28 June 2025 at the Adlux Convention Centre, Kochi. The event was graced by the presence of the chief guests, Shri Benny Behanan, Member of Parliament, and the ever-elegant actress Miss Honey Rose. The event brought together an elite gathering of manufacturers, retailers, and visionaries to honor the finest luminaries of the gems and jewelry industry. The Grand Kerala State Conference was held on 29 June 2025 during the Kerala Jewelry International Fair, jointly organized by KGSMA and United Exhibitions. With over 3,000 participants, the event reflected the collective strength, commitment, and shared values of Kerala's jewelry trade community. PN Gadgil Jewellers introduced Lightstyle, a new lightweight, lower-carat jewelry line, as record-high gold prices prompt budget-conscious buying. The brand will open 12 stores in 2025 to tap the fast-growing segment. India joins the historic Luanda Accord that commits 1% of rough diamond sales revenue to NDC for global natural diamond marketing. PNGS Reva Diamond Jewelry, based in Pune, has filed its draft red herring prospectus with SEBI to raise 450 crore rupees via a fresh equity issue. Funds will support opening 15 new stores by FY 2028, boost marketing, and serve general corporate purposes. Tanishq has teamed up with Lulu Hypermarket across the UAE, offering customers a chance to win diamonds worth 82 million. Shoppers who purchase from participating outlets can enter the raffle, adding an exciting twist to their jewelry buying experience. Malabar Gold and Diamonds has launched its second Canadian showroom in British Columbia. Inaugurated on 20th June 2025, the store enhances the brand's North American presence, offering gold, diamond, platinum, and gemstone collections to a diverse clientele. Shringar House of Mangalsutra Limited, a leading name in Mangalsutra craftsmanship, has inaugurated its first North India branch in Delhi. This strategic expansion brings the brand closer to retailers and wholesalers in the region, strengthening its national footprint and commitment to Mangalsutra excellence. Reliance Jewels announces the Big Bangle Fest across India, featuring exclusive gold and diamond bangles. The festival showcases exquisite designs and special deals, inviting customers to celebrate elegance and tradition at Reliance Jewels showrooms nationwide. Now speaking about the world of international gems and jewelry news. Alrosa has earned carbon neutral certification for its diamond production after 3 years of comprehensive scientific research. The certification verifies that the company successfully offsets all emissions from its mining and processing activities, positioning Alrosa as a global leader in sustainable and environmentally responsible diamond sourcing. Chow Tai Fook raised 8.8 billion Hong Kong dollars, approximately $1.12 billion via a convertible bond offering maturing in June 2030 with a 0.375% coupon. UBS led the deal, and legal counsel included Harneis, Jingshan and Am, Gongcheng, KWM, and Linklaters. Jewelry and Gem Asia Hong Kong took place from 19 to 22 June 2025 at the Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Centre. The B2B event featured 1,300 plus exhibitors across 30 plus themed pavilions, including fine design, core, and fine gem, focusing on sourcing, networking, and market insights. Highlights included bespoke seminars, a sustainability awards showcase, and the debut Orient Odyssey 2.0 Pearl exhibit. Rio Tinto has discovered a rare 0.45 carat purple diamond at its Diavik mine in Canada, the first of its kind since operations. The mine, known for white and occasional yellow diamonds, is set to close next year. Gemfields has nearly completed its 75% expansion of the own Montepuez ruby mining processing plant in Mozambique, reaching 95% completion. Once operational, the new facility will triple capacity from 200 to 600 tons per hour, boosting ruby output and reinforcing Mozambique's position in the global ruby market. Piaget's new Shapes of Extravaganza collection pays vibrant homage to its legacy, reinventing bold pop and OP art-inspired geometry. Featuring 51 sculptural creations adorned with angular lines, textured gold, rare gems, and integrated timepieces. Pagani and Bulgari have joined forces to create the Naga, a one-of-a-kind Imola roadster that fuses haute horology with hypercar engineering. Inspired by Eastern serpent mythology, the car features a carbon fiber snakeskin body, 838 horsepower V12 engine, and Bulgari-crafted interiors adorned with real diamonds, delivering an unparalleled expression of luxury and performance. Now coming to the Indian fashion news. Indian couturier Gaurav Gupta merges sculptural artistry with traditional craftsmanship, transforming couture into moving installations worn by icons like Halle Berry, Viola Davis, and Aishwarya Rai. His creations often feature hand-woven Banarsi brocade capes inscribed with Bhagavad Gita verses and contrasted with metal cast accents. Couture is just sculpture that moves. Reliance Retail's fashion brand Azort expanded its footprint in Mumbai with a new store at Sky City Mall, Borivali. The tech-enhanced, trend-led space reinforces Azort's mission to blend global style with Indian sensibilities through a premium and immersive shopping experience. American Tourister has collaborated with Love Child Masaba to launch the vibrant Urban Collection luggage line in India. Featuring playful holiday-themed prints, TSA-approved locks, smooth double-spinner wheels, and organized interiors, the collection blends bold style with functional design, making travel chic and carefree. Label Ritu Kumar unveiled its Summer Attire 2025, merging heritage crafts with contemporary flair. The collection features bold colors, voluminous silhouettes, next-gen denim, artisanal patchwork, florals, bows, and playful ruffles, capturing a spirited yet effortless summer aesthetic. FDCI, the New Zealand High Commission, and Education New Zealand hosted a unique cultural and fashion showcase in India, where designers fused Maori inspiration with Indian textiles. The event highlighted indigenous traditions, sustainability, and creative exchange between the two nations through a contemporary fashion lens. Brand Concepts Limited partnered with Sportlux to launch Off-White in India by Q4 FY 2025-26, covering apparel, accessories, and more across brand stores, retailers, e-commerce, and D2C channels. And lastly, the exciting international fashion news. Paris Men's Fashion Week SS26, held from 24th to 29th June 2025, concluded successfully with over 70 shows. Dior Home's debut by Jonathan Anderson and St. Laurent's impactful return were among the biggest draws. Pharrell energized Louis Vuitton, while new creative leads at Celine and Dries Van Noten attracted attention. Key houses like Hermes, Kenzo, Issey Miyake, Rick Owens, Jacquemus, Marine Serre, and Wales Bonner showcased diverse visions, cementing Paris as the global hub for boundary-pushing menswear. Milan Menswear Week Spring-Summer 2026, held from 20 to 24 June 2025, spotlighted a wave of relaxed sophistication and timeless tailoring. Dolce & Gabbana made headlines with its Pajama Boys collection, reimagining pastel-striped loungewear. Brunello Cucinelli unveiled the Shape of Light, rooted in fluid tailoring and soft structure. Ralph Lauren's purple label showcased Voyager, evoking coastal elegance through neutral layers, safari elements, silk scarves, and leather pilot jackets. Together, these collections define the season's shift towards comfort-forward luxury infused with artisanal heritage. Christian Louboutin debuts Rouge Stiletto, a sculptural lipstick line with stiletto-inspired slim cases and gold spike accents. Available in Lumi Matte and Glossy Shine, both infused with hydrating Glam Lips Complex for luxe, long-lasting color. Nicola Morris has unveiled Maya, an exclusive Dubai-based boutique showcasing rare and limited edition Hermes bags. Loretta Caponi unveiled her first Minimi capsule at the Pitti Bimbo trade show, offering delicate miniature versions of her renowned handcrafted linens and ready-to-wear pieces for kids. The line mirrors her signature style with refined Florentine embroidery and pastel hues. Prada's SS26 runway featured sandals inspired by traditional Kolhapuri chappal, highlighting how Indian design continues to shape global fashion narratives. Jackson Wang and Pharrell Williams unveiled a racing-inspired capsule collection. The high-octane drop features bold checkered patterns, racing stripes, and sporty silhouettes melding streetwear energy with couture polish. That was all for today. Thank you everyone. We will see each other next time with more weekly updates. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, शुभ रात्रि, शब खैर।